have like a one SRP policy, which means कि जो ये प्राइस यहाँ पे है, अगर आप स्टोर में भी जाएंगे पर्टिकुलर स्टोर पे ज़्यादा का नहीं मिलेगा या किसी की कम नहीं मिलेगा। ये है वन SRP पॉलिसी क्रॉस ऑल जहाँ पे भी हमारे लैपटॉप्स आते हैं।
Hi, my name is Shubham Sharma. I'm the Technical Product Manager at ASUS India, and today we have a full portfolio of products here, gaming laptops here from both ASUS and ROG, to give you an experience of how gaming is like on a premium high-end and even on an entry-level laptop. So we start with the premium laptop here. So we have the Strix G16 here, which is a slightly more premium version in our gaming range in ROG. So in the SCAR series, you get the latest HX series of Intel processors, which are basically overclockable Intel processors. Along with that, you get up to a 5080 on the Strix G16. So yeah, even if you're gaming or even if you're doing content creation on it, that device can blast through anything that we throw at it, right? It's a proper desktop replacement, so it's a slightly heavier and chunkier laptop, but that's because we needed better cooling on this machine, right? To give you all that performance, you need great cooling. That's how you will see that the entire back plate of the laptop is just essentially a big heat sink, and it has 3 fans inside to push all of that hot air out continuously. And that's the design that we've copied across almost all of our laptops. We'll get to that in a bit. We also have the TUF, which is great for an entry-level gamer. People who want to do a little bit of entry-level gaming and content creation on the side. For them, we have the new TUF A14 and A16. Here is the TUF A16, which comes with up to a 5070, and this is great for gaming, everyday gaming, for 1080p or even 2K gaming. This can handle it very easily, and of course, a lot of students also prefer going for this because it can handle a lot of their Visual Studio for coding and Photoshop and Premiere Pro as well. So here today with us we have the new Zephyrus G14, the ROG Zephyrus G14. This is a brilliant laptop, a very slim and thin laptop, and we have up to a 5070 Ti inside this, which is very powerful, as you know. But in the slim chassis, it's meant for content creators on the go, for business professionals on the go who want that powerhouse when they are traveling, or they want a thin and light laptop to carry with them everywhere, right? So this is a brilliant laptop. We aim it at creators as well because it comes with the industry standard OLED display that covers the 100% of DCI-P3 color gamut. So for the tech nerds there, it basically means that you get a very wide color gamut. This is very color accurate with Pantone validation, so that you can easily do all of your content and creation work on this machine. You can game on this, you can watch movies and shows on this because it has a Dolby Vision support as well, and the audio on this is great. It has a 6-speaker setup inside, and overall this is a very thin and light premium Zephyrus offering in our lineup with a 5070 Ti graphic card inside.